Hi, everyone. My name is Gina Camacho, and I am the co-founder of BlueRecruit. And I'd like to thank you so much for taking the time to learn a little bit more about BlueRecruit and how we can help you and your team grow. Now, first things first, BlueRecruit was built for the trades. If you're trying to hire a salesperson, an accountant, or a receptionist, I wish you the best of luck, but BlueRecruit is definitely not the platform for you. If you're trying to hire a mechanic, a crane operator, a CNC operator, then we definitely have the talent that you're looking for. To give you a little bit of backstory, BlueRecruit was founded after my father, Joe, a body shop manager, put up a post looking for auto body painters. However, instead of sending resumes for qualified auto painters, my dad received about 80 applications for house painters. This is when my co founder, Rich Camacho, and I thought that there had to be a better way to find skilled trades talent. We launched Blue Recruit in 2019 and have been at the forefront of skilled trades hiring ever since. Now, let's jump into Blue Recruit and I will show you what we're all about. This is the employer dashboard. This is what everybody sees as soon as they log into Blue Recruit. And I'm going to come back to this page in just a bit because really the bread and butter of what we do starts here with our 16 different industries. We openly refer to ourselves as the Match.com for plumbers. Why? Because we built a database of over 25,000 skills and certifications that job seekers use to build a full profile in just 5 minutes. By selecting all of their trades, certifications, and experience that they have, in turn, employers are then able to run a search using the same database of skills and certifications to match with available job seekers. So, no more resumes and no more job posts. To begin your search, select an industry and then select a specialty. We have almost 200 different specialties within our 16 industries, and the list is in alphabetical order. If you do not see the specific specialty that you're looking for, select the closest match. You'll likely find exactly what you're looking for on the next page. Now, within each specialty, we're going to break it down further into the various experiences and skills, and then into the various certifications and licenses that someone would have. The selections that are made here are not going to hide job seekers that do not have those skills and certifications, but rather, if they do have them, they're going to appear at the top of your search result list. On the next step, you can select your education requirements, shift needs, and enter in your location. We're going to show you how far away a job seeker is from your location. So if you're more mobile, have a service area that someone would be assigned to manage, I recommend entering just in a city and state. But if you have an employee that's going to be traveling to the same place each day, entering in your full address, including your zip code, is going to show you exactly how far someone is from that location. Those that are within 25 miles of your location are going to be shown towards the top of your results, especially if they have a lot of the skills and certifications that you're looking for as well. Lastly, select your maximum pay, as we will highlight candidates that are within your pay range versus those that might not be. The last step is to select any other requirements you may have, such as how long they can stand, how much they can lift, if they have a clean criminal background, clean driving record. We'll even allow you to filter down by veteran status. Now, if you select yes or no for any of the requirements in this area, we will hide those that are not a fit for your requirement. For example, if you select yes for clean driving record, we will not show you any candidates that have stated they do not have a clean driving record. Sometimes this list contains hard requirements where there really isn't any wiggle room and they are must-haves for your company. Other times, these requirements are not black and white and can be discussed in the interview process. So if that's you, put doesn't matter, and we're going to show you everyone that's still a top match. And that's it. Now, our powerful algorithm is going to run through all of our candidates and display to you the folks by percent match that are currently available and looking for work. You can see that this particular candidate has the skills and certifications that I'm looking for, and they're close to my location. Green skills and certifications indicate that this job seeker has the skills and certifications that I have selected within my search. Blue indicates that the job seeker has skills and certifications that I did not select in my search. And red means that this job seeker does not have the skills and certifications that I selected in my search. You'll also notice how far away a job seeker is and what their preferred work location is. If someone is outside of your local area, they're still going to appear in your search results if they have opted in to potentially relocating to another area. You may also see that job seekers have skills or certifications that you're looking for, but they're not within the trade you're hiring. We include these folks in your results because while they may not have the experience in your particular trade, they may have transferable skills and might just require a little bit of training on your part to become a great fit for your team. Now, when you're ready to communicate with a candidate that you're interested in speaking to, just select the Connect button. If you notice, we don't provide any personal details about our candidates. Instead, you're going to send a request to this job seeker and they can choose to accept or decline your invitation. If they accept, you will be notified and you're going to receive their name and contact info. To send a request, select the location that you're hiring for, include your company website. This could be, the main page of your website. If you have a jobs or careers page, an about us page, anything that really highlights why your company is awesome. This is great to include in your message because a job seeker may have never heard of your company and they'll get a link to your website in the request so they can do a little bit more research on you before they decide to accept or decline. If you have an online application, first make sure it's mobile friendly, as that's how most job seekers are interacting with BlueRecruit. But if you do have a mobile friendly online application, you can put the link right here. And this is going to be sent to them automatically if they choose to accept your request. Last and most importantly, in the custom message field, you can write a short description of the job, including benefits and pay if you're willing to share that with the job seeker. This message is sent as a text message, email, and in app message, but 99% of them are read through text. So please keep your message short and take the time to write a message that really sells your company. Job seekers out there are getting requests from all other types of companies in your area, and you want to be able to stand out. So, really share what makes your company so great. Now, whenever you're ready, you're just going to go ahead and click send, and that's it. About 40% of requests are responded to within an hour. Most of those are responded to within the first couple of minutes. However, the majority are still going to be responded to within about a day. Peak times for responses are typically early in the morning, during lunchtime, and in the evening. We also see a great response rate on Mondays and, believe it or not, on Saturdays. We know weekends are your weekends, so if you don't want to send out messages on Saturdays, another alternative day is Thursdays. If you do not hear back from your request after a day, you can send a follow-up message. Just head over to the request page. This is where all of your pending requests are going to be listed. And just click on that send reminder button. This is where you can share more details about the position, pay. You can even run a series of different reminders that you send every couple of days. Be sure to include strong calls to action as well. Like, are you interested in setting up a quick phone interview tomorrow at a time that works for you? I'd love to share more about our benefits and team and bonus structure. Are you free tomorrow afternoon? All requests are going to expire automatically after 30 days, but if you've reached out a few times, still haven't heard back from a candidate, you can just click this cancel button. It's going to cancel the request and it's going to remove that job seeker from any of your future search results. Once a candidate accepts your request, you'll instantly receive an email notification letting you know that you've been matched. That candidate is now going to appear on your connections page and you'll see their name. When you click on their name, you're going to be able to see all of their contact information as well. As soon as possible, and hopefully within a day of connecting, you should call and text to set up an interview. Do not, and I repeat, do not use email as a first step. Do not ask for them to complete an application before setting up an interview. You will lose that candidate. Now, as job seekers move through the interview process, we do require that you keep us in the loop on their progress. You will notice that every couple of days, we're going to prompt you to come to the connections page and select from one of our statuses in this drop-down menu. Your feedback provides us with accurate and live-time information on the success of BlueRecruit and gives us insight into hiring trends within the skilled trades. By providing us with regular updates on our candidates, we're going to be able to make BlueRecruit completely free and at no cost to you. Yep, That's right. You have unlimited access to connect with and interview and hire as many people as you need to on BlueRecruit. Now, why are we able to do this? Well, since 2019, BlueRecruit has established a vast community of experienced, skilled tradespeople, career changers, and new talent on our platform. We work with high schools to get students excited about joining the trades and helping them find apprenticeships. We help trade school graduates start their careers. And then we also work with libraries, nonprofits, and workforce development organizations to place career changers, experienced job seekers, veterans, second chance individuals, and really help them launch their skilled trades careers. By joining our community and gaining direct and free access to this wealth of talent, all that we are asking for you to contribute is your hiring wins. And by doing so, we can inform the communities that are investing their time, their money into building a local workforce, know what impact they're making. By showing this impact, funding dollars towards the building of our skilled trades workers is going to dramatically increase. So, whether you're a small business or you're a large corporation, we would love the opportunity to show you how BlueRecruit can help you find the talent you need when you need it. So, we've made it very simple for you to get started, and we're really excited to help your team grow. Thanks again for your time, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care.